Hey, family and kids, Derek here. And so, cleaning up the house, and we're going through stuff. And I've got a bunch of newspapers from the Winter Olympics. And this is Thursday, February 21st, 2002. I've carried several of these newspapers around for 24 years. And I think 4 moves, maybe more, I don't know. And today I'm getting rid of them, but I want to talk about the story behind these. So, 2002, so we'd been through some tough financial stuff. Started the Closet Doctor late 98, early 99 is when we really started going and started making a little bit of money. And we'd lived, not long before that, we'd lived in Utah. And so we were there as they were preparing for the games. So one of the events that we went to showed up. The problem was we still didn't have a whole lot of money. So we drove out, remember we drove out in our red 92 Acura Legend. That was a nice car. We went to a couple events. The events were very expensive for us. We're talking like we wanted to go to long track speed skating. They were like $600 a ticket. So one of the cheap ones that we went to, and here's what would be nice if I could find a picture, was this is Skeleton. This is on the bobsled track where these guys go face down. It was cold, but it wasn't freezing cold. It was actually raining. And so it was me and Mom and Mackenzie. And so we made our way about 3/4 of the way up the track. And you watch this stuff on TV and you see all kinds of stuff. And so anyways, they're announcing, I can't remember what they're announcing. And I remember the first person that was coming down the track was just a local kid that was testing the track out. And so we're standing on the edge of the bobsled track, and we're mere feet. We're right up against the edge of the track. And I can hear people cheering from up above and all of that. And like I said, it's cold and rainy. I got Mackenzie in front of me. She's wearing a purple coat. And not disappointment. I don't know what we were expecting. We were there. Yeah, we're all excited to be at the Olympics, and we hear the cheers and we hear the cowbells and stuff up above. And then this is what we saw. And so that's about how much time that we would see somebody. It was just, and they would go by because they're doing 60, 70, 80 miles an hour face down on the track. And it was just like that. That's all you could see. But then we could turn around. I believe we were watching it on the big screen. And so when this guy won, I want to say he was in America. I can't remember where he was from, but he'd been practicing on that track and stuff. And so we were there and we were cheering and screaming for him and everything. I can't watch it on the big screen. Remember it being soaking wet. Mackenzie's hair was all wet and all that kind of stuff. So that's why we kept those. I'm throwing them out because I'm not keeping them anymore. I'm gonna take a couple pictures of it and throw it out. But I remember seeing that the next day on the paper. Like, is that the most amazing picture ever? That guy going face down with that bald eagle on his helmet and looking really cool. So that's our stuff. I think that's the only ones I got there in that one for the Olympics. So other Olympic stuff, we went to the short track speed skating and a hockey game. We were there for about a week, and then we went to 3 events. Had a great time. So that's our Olympic newspaper story and experience. So just going through it here, we were at this short track speed skating, and the American guy won the gold. There was a penalty, and so the Koreans were really mad. I'm not going to read the whole article, but we were there, and it was, when the Olympics come again, we're going to that because that was the most exciting sport that I've ever seen. But yeah, so there's a couple of them there. Yeah, we were there when this happened here. So this is just a few other things that were in our stack of newspaper stuff. For my grandkids that don't know what a newspaper is, this is how you used to get your news. They printed this off, and so in May 2nd, 2011. So today is May 2nd, and so 2026. So I don't know, what's that? 15 years ago is when they got Bin Laden, and That's, you know, big paper on there, big news. And another one that I have here, this is the sports section of the Sacramento Bee. And for my nephew Heath, junior and senior year, we went to all of his football games, and they won the Division II championship. And so they made the paper. We'd go, I couldn't scream anymore, so I had a cowbell that I'd shake, and everybody hated me at the games because I would shake that cowbell nonstop, but it was really cool. So that's all of my newspaper stuff, and today we're throwing this stuff in the trash, so I'm not moving it again. There it goes.